Yo, I'm Nate, here with Mr. Lynx. We're back here at the Brooklyn Music Factory giving you a 5-minute jam. Like, for those of you that are doing the first 5-minute jam ever, it's so straightforward. Anybody can do the 5-minute jam. Frankly, you can do it on body percussion. Yeah, today we're gonna highlight keyboardists doing it on the, you dig, the black keys. All black keys all the time for 5 minutes. Love it. And there's only 2 rules. First rule is you can't possibly play a wrong note, right? You can't sound bad in the 5-minute jam. The 5-minute jam is just about opening up those ears, turning on your musical mind, and listening to us work around the black keys. If you stay on the black keys, you're going to be golden. The second rule is the sucker only lasts 5 minutes. Hence the name 5-minute jam. Why? Because every great song has a beginning, middle, and then an end. And we keep it easy here. When the timer goes off, we're done, right? So anybody can last for 5 minutes on any jam. That's sort of been my rule in life, right? So we're going to do it. 5-minute jam. The timer has started. All black keys. Keep those musical ears open. Let's make some music. Come on now. Nice. How did that go? That was super funk, actually.
Yeah,
that was pretty sweet. All right, we'll see you for another 5-minute jam. Sounding good.
Cool.
Links!